Do you guys ever feel like you're doing everything wrong in life? I mean, have you noticed that the only thing you can do right is interact with the computer? Do you want to make your job out of it? Well, you guys are fucking lucky, because today I can't speak, so I have my friend here, Aiden. Hit him up, fam.
Hi.
Yeah. You guys wanted to probably, I mean, if you're watching this video and then you're probably like, I want to be a hacker. How do I be a hacker? Well, the answer is very simple yet complicated.
Just fucking subscribe to us.
Yeah, exactly. This is Linux, right? Most of the shit is skitty crap. So basically, if you download this and you use this as actual hacking crap, you're a fucking skitty. Oh, by the way, we're not responsible for any of the shit you do with the knowledge you gain from us. So if you end up like fucking exposing the government and everybody like fucking is trying to kill you, we're not responsible for any of that. So, right, all we're doing is just giving you the gun. We're just giving you a gun. If you shoot somebody with it who is innocent, it's your problem. It's not ours. We just told you, don't shoot at innocent people, alright? Now, if you don't fucking listen, you're stupid. You're not gonna be able to download this, because this is an actual, like, fucking OS. This is, like, the actual fucking ISO. So, if you want, you could put this onto a USB stick. You could put this onto a drive, and like, you just stick the drive into your computer and then turn it on. It'll boot into this. Right. How to do that. This is a very nice tutorial. First thing you want to do is download uTorrent, because you're gonna need that. Right, uTorrent. It's not illegal, it just sounds illegal. It's not really... It is actually, never mind. But you're gonna need it anyway, because because the HTTP things are actually like regular downloads. Don't think about that. I'm not gonna install that, because the size is fucking ridiculous. But yeah, you actually want to do it is actually install a torrent, because the torrent takes like 0 seconds. Until you actually get to torrenting the torrent. Right. So, you're gonna notice that you also are gonna need the side torrent, which I already have installed, in case you don't believe me. I can totally type. I can totally spell. Yep. I don't have typing eyes right now. So, okay, look. You're just gonna have to believe me that I have it, alright? So what you're gonna need is, I'm gonna use VMware for this, because VirtualBox doesn't work for me. Honestly, I just don't even fucking bother with VirtualBox anyway. Now, trust me when I tell you that VMware is pretty awesome. Let's see what's next, because we also have, like, the free shit, which is the workstation player. Except you can't do any of the cool shit as you could with Pro, but, you know, okay, let's just move on. Alright, so you're gonna get the VirtualBox and the virtual shit, right? Okay, yes. By the way, the default password on this is Tor. So, next thing you want to do is just get the OVA. The open whatever the fuck it actually stands for. So, it's torrent, right? It's torrenting and stuff, and like... Right, so, basically it's gonna ask you what the fuck you want to put it in. And then you just press OK, but I don't have enough floor space. But let's just say that it all downloaded and stuff, and please don't look at all of my games that I cracked. Just focus on this. Right. So, let's say this was done, right? Okay, yeah, fucking awesome. Good job. You fucking installed a pen testing framework, which, pen testing OS, which you're absolutely not gonna touch for the rest of your motherfucking life. Awesome. Unless you find this triggered. You're in the workstation, right? It's probably gonna look really different, but this is Pro. Please don't bother with it. I like my versions. You gotta click on New Virtual Machine, and it's gonna ask for typical, recommended, or the custom, which is advanced. You can even like do a virtual disk. Jesus Christ, I got a bunch of errors. So it's probably gonna ask for ISO, or disk image file. Now, that's for fucking faggots, because you're not gonna need this in the entire fucking first place, right? No. It's really easy. What you do is you visit, and then, like, fucking... You visit, and wherever the fuck you installed your fucking OVA file, right? You just... I don't know where the fuck it actually is, so please don't kill me or some shit. Okay, right, so let's just act like this is your fucking Linux, right? Okay, you just click on this. VMware will probably pop up in your fucking face saying like, oh shit. Where do you want to put this? Now, I'm not gonna put it in my C disk. You don't have to do it. Just put it in the paste in the fucking partition, which has the most space for you. Well, for me, it's D, but I'm not gonna import that, right? So Okay, you know what? Fuck it, I am. Mr. Robot. So, it's gonna be importing this shit. Now, Linux is like 3 gigabytes. Alright, so this is gonna take a while. So, this isn't gonna be as short as this, alright? I know this is way off track and we're not supposed to be fucking installing the wrong shit. But bear with me. I'm not gonna install 2018.2 just for a tutorial. Besides, I've updated 2018.1 and I'm not gonna bother with the next version. So fuck everybody who thinks that I should still update. Right. So, this is gonna be importing. So I'm just gonna assume this is done. Right, okay, this is done. Don't get into that name. Alright, so, your first things you're gonna see is like this, right? So, always, if the option is there, run live. Do it, just fucking do it, right? Okay. Sometimes there are faggots who don't know what the fuck they're doing, right? They're gonna be like, what the fuck is the name of the password and shit? Well, you're gonna be reading it on the website, but the username should be root, and the password is root backwards. If you guys haven't fucking read the website, then
please give up on being a hacker, etc. And being a fucking white hat or pen tester. Or what the fuck is the name even at this point? Because like, I'm pretty sure people hate the word hacker.
Y'all guys confused because my Kali Linux is customized and yours isn't. You started it up. Great job. As you can see, it has cable internet because it doesn't want my fucking life to work right now. I am actually using wireless. Because now you've actually managed to get this shit to work. Alright? So, shut up. We're done here.